administration to see how exactly they're going to respond if this continues to push towards the point of conflict. Because, John, what you have to look at is this is the red line according to China. Taiwan is sovereign territory that the Chinese believe belongs to them. And so anything that infringes on that could lead to military conflict.
David Culver, as always, thank you so much for your reporting.
Our trust has been broken in our leaders, in our institutions, even with some of our friends. And we Normal programming has been interrupted due to the activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. This is a national advisory broadcast. The abrupt interruption of television, cable, and radio broadcasting is essential to national security, as well as to ensure clear communication between the government and the American people. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. The Department of State have received reports from the Taiwan government of Chinese military incursion in the Taiwan Strait. The 7th Fleet of the United States Navy is ready to respond to any military action against Taiwan. Threats to U.S. military installations in Asia and to the U.S. mainland has drastically increased during the past hour. The U.S. military has increased the current threat level to DEFCON 1, which indicates that the U.S. Armed Forces is at maximum readiness and that any aggression against the United States mainland, government and citizens are imminent in the next hour. No action is required at this time. Please stay calm and bear with us as we gather more information as the situation unfolds. Stay tuned to your local media news outlet and ensure that mobile devices are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data to receive the latest information. Normal programming will now resume.